Poysian from English with Poysian Channel. Welcome to Basic English Grammar for Beginners. Lesson 2. Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about and in front of nouns. What is the difference between both of them and how to use them? Let's start from what is a noun. There are 4 different things for you to remember about nouns. 1. A noun is a person. 2. A noun is a thing. 3. A noun is a place. 4. A noun is an animal. Do you still remember? In the previous video, I talked about vowels. In the alphabet, there are 5 different main vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Keep them in mind. This is the rule. If you find A, E, I, O, U at the beginning of the nouns, then put an before the nouns. But when the nouns start with consonant, then put a in front of the nouns. It is easy to remember. A in front of the nouns start with consonant, and in front of the nouns start with A, E, I, O, U or main vowels. Let's have a look. Some example of some nouns. So how to use a or an? Well, there are 8 different nouns for you to practice. Which nouns to put a and which nouns to put an. Let's do it together. Banana. Banana is a fruit. It is a thing. Banana start with B. B is a consonant. Then put a banana. A banana. Computer. Computer is a thing. Computer start with letter C. C is a consonant, then put a computer, a computer. Apple, apple, apple is a fruit, it is a thing. Apple start with letter A. A is a vowel. Then put an apple, an apple. Engineer. Engineer is a person. Engineer start with letter E. E is a vowel. Then put an engineer. An engineer. Girl. Girl. Girl is a person. Girl start with letter G. G is a consonant. Then put a girl. A girl. Man. Man. Man is a person. Man start with letter M. M is a consonant. Then put a man. A man. Elephant. Elephant. Elephant is an animal. Elephant start with letter E. E is a vowel. Then put an elephant. An elephant. The last one, octopus. Octopus. Octopus is an animal. Start with letter O. O is a vowel. Then put an octopus. An octopus. Can you repeat after me? A banana. A computer. An apple. An engineer. A girl. A man. An elephant. An octopus. Okay, let's move for the next step. I have some more nouns for you to practice. We start from a noun is a person. There are doctor, engineer, teacher. Doctor start with letter D. D is a consonant. Then put a doctor, a doctor. Engineer, engineer. Start with letter E. E is a vowel. Then put an engineer, an engineer. Teacher, teacher. Start with letter T. It is a consonant. Then put a teacher, a teacher. Let's move to the next one. A noun is a thing. There are table, umbrella, and computer. Table. Table start with letter T. It is a consonant. Then put a table, a table. Umbrella. Umbrella. Umbrella start with letter U. It is a vowel. Then put an umbrella, an umbrella. Next one, computer, computer. Computer start with letter C. It is a consonant. Then put a computer, a computer. Next one, a noun is a place. There are temple, school, and hotel. Temple. Temple start with letter T. T is a consonant. Then put a temple, a temple. School. School. Start with letter S. S is a consonant. Then put a school, a school. Hotel. Hotel. Hotel start with letter H. H is a consonant. Then put a hotel, a hotel. Next one, a noun is an animal. There are elephant, monkey, chicken. Elephant, elephant, elephant start with letter E. E is a vowel. Then put an elephant, an elephant. Monkey, monkey. Monkey start with letter M. M is a consonant. Then put a monkey, a monkey. Next one, chicken, chicken. Chicken start with letter C. C is a consonant. Then put a chicken, a chicken. We'll put in front of the nouns that have consonant at the beginning of the words. But, and we'll put in front of the nouns that have vowels at the beginning of the words. Alright, what do you think about this lesson? I hope you enjoy it and it helps you to improve your English. Next lesson, I'm going to talk about singular and plural nouns. How to use S or without S. Please give me some comment below and click subscribe to reach my English lesson every single week. Bye for now. See you next video. Bye bye.